What are some of your favorite crock-pot meals? This is Jackie's recipe from Low Carb State of Mind on TikTok, and I just tweaked it a little bit with my ingredients. Measuring out 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm adding that right to the slow cooker on top of my chicken tenders. You can use these packets, but if you look at the ingredients, it does have some sugar in it, so I decided not to use this. I'm just gonna add some of my own seasonings. These are all of the seasonings I'll be using. You can definitely use whatever seasonings you have on hand. These are just some of my favorites. I buy a lot of my seasonings from Trader Joe's. They have some of my favorites. All I'm doing pretty much is just putting a sprinkle of everything right into the slow cooker. This recipe is really easy, and I love slow cooker meals like this because you can set it in the morning and the meal will be ready for you when you come back. I applied all the seasoning and then just mix it up. While that's cooking, I'm gonna air fry some bacon. This is gonna be for the topping. You can definitely add whatever toppings you have on hand. Just crumble up the bacon and prep the green onion. I'm just gonna dice it up really small just to add as our topping at the end. You can definitely serve this over anything, but I am gonna prep some broccoli and steam it up and serve it right on top of the broccoli. I'm too lazy to get my vegetable steamer, so I'm just gonna use a pot with a little bit of water and a strainer. Just gonna add my broccoli right into that. Now that the chicken is ready after 3 hours, I'm just gonna shred it and add all the toppings right on. The broccoli is still bright green and fork tender. And now we can assemble, just put the chicken right on top. This turned out so good. You can even use this as a dip and add more cheese on top. Let me show you how to make the cracked chicken dip. I'm gonna use my leftover cracked chicken and broccoli to make this dip. All I'm gonna do is chop up the broccoli a little bit and heat it up in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then add some sour cream and heat it up a little bit more if you need to, and mix. Simple and easy. Here's how it looks. We're just gonna add a little bit of this Mexican style cheese right on top. And here it is. You can serve this with cucumber, you can serve it with zucchini, you can serve it with broccoli or some pork rinds. I like eating it with these everything Parmesan crisps, and these are actually oven baked and from Costco. These are really, really good and really addicting. Don't say I didn't warn you. Great ingredients and low carb. This was a great way to utilize my leftovers. It was really, really yummy. You can definitely eat this when you're not on keto as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of when I upload these videos, and thank you so much for watching.